We all keep saying this sentence to others. Don't waste your time, yaar. But have you ever really thought about it? What does it really mean? Time. It's something you can never get back. You can lose money and earn it again. You can lose people and meet new ones. But once time goes, it's gone forever. When we were young, we think, I have so much time, I will do it later. We scroll for hours, watch random videos, gossip, delay everything because we think we have later. But later never really comes. It becomes tomorrow and then next week, and suddenly one day we realize years have passed. Let me tell you something honest. The difference between successful people and average people is not talent, it's not luck, it's how they use their time. Everyone gets the same 24 hours, but what you do with your 24 hours that decide who you become. Think about this. Every single day you are writing a page of your life's story, and every page is made of time. So if you waste your time today, you are literally tearing out a page from your own story. A story that could have been inspiring, a story that could have been beautiful. And listen, I'm not saying you should never rest. Rest is important, relaxation is important, but wasting time is different. Taking a break is when you pause to recharge. Wasting time is when you pause to escape. One gives you energy, the other steals your future. Sometimes people say, but what should I do? I don't even know what my purpose is. That's okay. You don't need to have all the answers. Just start doing something small. Read, learn, practice, build, help someone. Even it's a small step. It's still progress. Because progress builds confidence, and confidence saves time. What's the saddest thing? Most people realize the value of time only when they have already lost it. When they look back and think, I wish I had started earlier. I wish I had studied that 1 hour more. I wish I had spent more time with my parents. Don't let that I wish come in your story. Time is life. When you waste your time, you are not just wasting hours, you are wasting pieces of your own life. If you protect your time will protect your dreams. So, from today, just make one promise to yourself: I will respect my time, even if no one else does. Every second you spend wisely become a seed for your future. So plant good seeds because your future is growing silently while you decide what to do with your present. And if you ever feel lazy or demotivated or lost, just remember this: time is running and it doesn't stop for anyone. Make sure when you look back one day, you can smile and say, yes, I used my time well.